welcome back. Welcome to the jungle. Halo Zanu.
Halo,
Oh, you look Zanu habis bangun tidur ya?
ya,
Oh, di sana udah jam 4 ya. Tadi tidur siang berarti ya.
mm-mm.
Oke. Oke, Zanu, are you in your duty, Zanu?
What is the tea?
Libur.
Yes,
Oh, duty bukan libur ya. Holiday. Tapi agak aneh ya. Oke, Zanu. Oh my God. Are you okay?
yes.
Okay, yes. How many your holiday? How many
Mm,
days?
Until until tanggal 6.
Oh, the 6th January?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty much. Yeah, okay. Uh, okay, you ready for this, Zano?
Yes.
Kemarin kakak udah nambahin Zano koin belum ya? Kemarin kakak nambahin poin belum, Zano?
Udah.
Udah ya? Oke, sekarang Zano kakak tambahin poin karena hadir tepat waktu ya. Zano, mana dia ini? Anaknya gemes banget. Zano choose a dream comes Zano. Oke, mematuhi peraturan and then hadir tepat waktu. Oke, you have 20 coins from me, Zano. You got 20 coins exactly. Okay, now I will talk about something new for you, Zano. Okay, are you
Yeah.
ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, this is the continuation that of your work uh last in our last meeting. Yeah. So now we'll talk about something that can iterate all of the character or go through in, yeah, you know iteration, Zano?
What?
Iteration, iterate or iteration.
No.
No? Jadi ini kita akan berbicara tentang sesuatu yang bisa apa namanya memeriksa per karakter Zano ya. Jadi misalnya nih, nanti Zano menulisnya Zano. Nah, alat ini atau operator ini akan memeriksa huruf Z, Z dulu, kemudian A, kemudian N, kemudian O. Jadi diperiksa satu-satu karakter gitu. Nah, ini namanya iterasi ya. Oke. Jadi dari karakter pertama lanjut ke karakter kedua, lanjut ke karakter ketiga, lanjut ke karakter keempat. Ini namanya iterasi ya. Oke. Nah, sekarang apa yang alat yang kita gunakan untuk menulis ini? Nah, this is what we will do, Zano. We will learn for loop namanya atau loop for. Nah, tujuan hari ini apa? To program user authorization personal accounts for a social network. And you will learn that the for loop can be used to iterate over the elements. This is iterate over the elements of a sequence. Okay? Do you understand about this? Iterate over the elements of a sequence.
No.
Itu akan mengiterasi melewati satu persatu elemen secara berurutan gitu. Oke?
Ya.
And then learn and compare for and while loops. Zano akan nanti akan melihat perbandingan antara while loop dengan for loop gitu ya, apa bedanya gitu. Kemudian apalagi yang akan kita pelajari? Yang akan kita pelajari adalah introduce new mechanics into print around. Jadi nanti Zano kalau udah belajar ini diharapkan sudah bisa membuat project nanti ya. Nah, sekarang did you remember Zano what is a loop?
Loop.
What is a loop? Did you remember?
Ulang.
Ah,
Ulang.
perulangan ya. Repetition lah ya. And then which loop operator do you know that yeah you have learned last meeting?
I
What
don't
is the name
remember.
of the loop? The name of the loop is the name of the loop is
Is while.
yeah, that's while loop. Yeah. So we have learned about while loop. Now we will learn the continuation of while loop is for loop ya. Jadi while loop itu juga loop, for itu juga loop ya. Makanya sering disebut while loop, for loop begitu. Oke Zano?
Okay.
Now how to do the expression with while loop? Ah, while loop can also use in our program with counter, Zano ya. And what is counter, sir? Counter is a variable storing the number of steps of a certain loop. It means that counter itu nanti akan menghitung seberapa banyak iterasi yang kita lakukan. Gitu. Jadi ada while loop yang tanpa counter, ada yang dengan counter. Begitu. Nah sekarang let's talk about for loop. So where is the for loop used? So the for loop used, the first is to iterate over the elements, sequence of elements. And then the second is repeating actions in the loop body n times. Okay. And to iterate over the sequence of element, we use in operator. Yeah. And then to repeating action for n times, we use this operator, Zano ya, range operator. Now how you can use all of this operator? Okay, let's talk about in operator first. So you just need to say for element in sequence, please do this action, this action, this action. You wanna add this action again, it's okay. But this is the main part of that. In Indonesia, we can say untuk setiap sesuatu atau elemen di dalam sebuah urutan, tolong lakukan tindakan satu, dua, tindakan tiga. Begitu. Nah, sekarang kakak liatin contohnya bagaimana. Nah, ini dia. Misalnya, I have a variable. The name of the variable is password. Oke? Okay? What is the name, Zano?
Password.
Kakak izin minum ya. What is the name of the variable?
Hmm. Password.
And then this one?
Alphabet.
Alphabet. So, what is the value of this password, Zano?
Kitty.
Kitty. K, I, spell it for me.
T. T.
And
U. Yeah.
Y.
Yeah. Y.
Y, yeah? It's Y, okay. And then the alphabet itself, it's from, start from A until Z, right? Yeah, that's the alphabet. Now, I could like this, Zano. For symbol in password, okay? It means it will return what, sir? So the symbol will return K, I, T, T, and Y. This is the symbol ya. Because jadi simbol ini apa sebenarnya? Simbol itu K, I, T, T sama Y. Itu simbol itu Zano ya. Satu persatu simbol itu. In passwordnya, passwordnya ini kan nama variabel tempat simbol-simbol itu. Begitu ya. Oke. Nah sekarang misalnya kakak punya variabel namanya gini. Name is name is Abi. Nah, Zano. Now I ask you, Zano, what will the symbol? What will be the symbol is?
Simbol.
For symbol in name. I say for symbol in nama. Apa saja akan yang akan menjadi simbolnya?
Hmm, A,
For
B,
A.
N.
Okay, A, B, and I. That's very nice. Now I will, yeah, I will, I will do this action for my program. For every symbol in password, please alphabet.find symbol. Jadi kalau kita menggunakan dot find itu, dia akan mengembalikan apa nanti Zano masih ingat?
Membalikan angka.
Iya, betul sekali. Angka ya, yaitu nomor indeksnya ya. Nomor indeksnya Zano ya. Betul sekali. Nah, sekarang di mana dia memeriksanya? Tolong temukan simbol itu di dalam alfabet. Contohnya, simbol K di dalam alfabet itu dia di indeks keberapa? Gitu ya Zano ya. Nah, ternyata simbol K itu di indeks ke-10. Gitu ya. Nah, kenapa ditambah satu, Kak? Karena kan kita biasanya menghitung alfabet tuh A itu huruf pertama gitu ya, Zano ya.
Ya,
B itu huruf kedua, bukan dari nol kan ya. Makanya di sini ditambah satu. Jadi Pine ini mengembalikan nomor indeks. Sehingga I itu di huruf keberapa? Dia di urutan ke-8 tambah satu 9. Kemudian T itu di urutan keberapa di dalam alfabet ini? Dari sisi indeks, dia di urutan ke-19 tambah satu 20. Ya.
ya.
Kemudian Y itu di urutan keberapa dari sisi indeks programming? Dia di urutan ke-24 tambah satu dia urutan di ke-25. Begitu Zano ya. Jadi itu tahap pertama, oke? Oke Zano?
Oke.
Nah, sekarang yang kedua, Zano dapat melakukan hal ini. Nah, ya Zano ya, ini Zano. Jadi kakak punya variabel namanya login and I use input function here. Okay. Now I have a variable name is wrong and then the value is all of this sign, all of this character. Ya. Now for symbol in login, so if I in login write Zano, what will be the symbol Zano? Z A N and O ya. Oke. And then
Ya.
it will if the symbol in wrong, kalau simbolnya itu berada di sini, ada di salah satu ini, tolong cetak simbol itu. Nah, kata Zano ini kan nggak ada nih, nggak ada di salah satunya, makanya dia nggak mencetak ya simbol apa-apa gitu. Tapi kalau Zano memasukkan underscore nanti dia akan mencetak sesuatu yang salah. Begitu. Nanti kakak contohkan ya. Oke. Ya, kemudian kita dapat menggunakan counter di make for itu hanya dalam satu baris. And then what operator can we use to count all of our action? We can use range, ya. So what is range exactly? So the range function will create a sequence of numbers within the specified range. Ya, Zano ya. Example, I have range n, so it will create sequence of number dari 0 sampai n-1. Contohnya, kakak membuat range, range-nya itu 5. Maka berapa yang akan dikembalikan nih Zano? Kalau kakak ngebuat 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sama?
5.
Hah?
5.
Iya, sama 4 doang terakhir ya. Karena harusnya kan 5 - 1 sampai 4. Jadi kalau sampai 6 dia akan 5. Kalau sampai 7 dia sampai 6. Gitu-gitu sana ya. Oke. Nah, kemudian kalau kakak menulis range koma B itu artinya dari A sampai B-1. Contohnya range range 1,5, maka berapa angkanya Zano? Satu,
Koma
dua,
lima.
tiga, sama
Lima. Empat.
4. Limanya ikut?
Enggak.
Enggak, karena 5 min 1 sampai 4. Begitu. Nah, penggunaannya di mana? Penggunaannya begini nanti nih. Nah, untuk setiap sesuatu ini bisa make I, bisa make Z, bisa make A, pokoknya bebas ya. Bisa make underscore. Tapi jangan angka ya. For I pada range 3 berarti ini berapa nanti? Berapa kali Zano? Nol, satu, 2 sama
Tiga.
ya sampai 2 doang ya. Jadi ini 3 kali munculnya. Tapi angkanya mulai dari nol. Begitu ya. Oke. Nah, tolong input, enter your wish and print ini. Makanya dia akan bilang dalam rentang 3 tolong suruh memasukkan nama atau wish, keinginan 3 kali. Makanya ini dia bilang, Mas Zano, lihat Zano, enter your wish, ya, lagi enter your wish, lagi enter your wish. 3 kali sesuai range yang ada di sini. Begitu, ya. Oke? Nah, sekarang kakak coba contohkan gimana bentuk soalnya, ya. Oh, wait. Oke, here we go, Zano. Controls and this is the ini dia kita pakai for loop. Nah, ini dia. Oke. Nah, ini dia. Oke, Zano. Jadi sekarang kakak disuruh untuk menulis. Kakak contohkan dulu terkait penggunaan ini nih ya. Penggunaan ini kakak terangin dikit. Penggunaan for untuk iterasi elemen. Or yeah, let's say in English ya. In English, we can say that uh, you for loop for for loop for iterating sequence of element. Okay, like this, Zano ya. Okay, this is in English and below that this word, this is in Indonesia. Okay, now I will show you, Zano. I have a name. Name is Zano. Zano Agatha Sapia apa Zano?
Agak Zaferezano.
Oh, Aga ya. Aga gini ya. Aga gini.
Agak. Ya.
Zapiere
Zaferie.
Saperie
Zano.
Zano. I have variable name and then I will iterate all of the element ya. Ingat all of the element berarti spasi ini akan terhitung juga Zano ya. Jadi kakak bilang for untuk setiap elemen, Alzano bisa bilang elemen, bisa juga bilang untuk setiap huruf in di dalam nama. Nah, coba kita print hurufnya. Huruf. Print huruf. Apa yang akan terjadi? Boom. Nah, dia akan memprintnya satu persatu. Ada huruf A, G, H gitu. Sayangnya ke samping, Kak. Zano bisa menggunakan perintah yang ini nih. Nah. Oh, sorry. What? Oh my gosh. Wait. What cannot? Oh ya, because ya benar. Ya dia nggak mau ke samping Zano ya. Kecuali Zano bilang print. I don't know. Ini juga akan membuatnya menjadi ini ya. Oke, intinya adalah dia akan mencetak huruf angka melewati huruf itu satu per satu. Oke, Sano juga bisa bilang huruf A itu huruf keberapa gitu ya. Eh, caranya adalah I sama dengan I, koma. Nah, kemudian I sama dengan satu. Kemudian di sini diupdate I plus sama dengan satu. Nah, nanti dia akan mencetak seperti ini, Zano. Nah, huruf A itu huruf pertama, kedua itu G, ketiga itu H. Dan seterusnya, Zano. Oke? Oke?
Oke.
Nah, itu dia. Nah, sekarang kakak contohin. Kalau kakak bilang begini, kakak ingin eh nama nama itu ditanyakan 3 kali. Atau 5 kali. Berarti ya, katakanlah Z in range 5 ya. 5 kali tanyakan. Nah, kita bilang aja nama input. Pakai input siapakah nama anak eh anak ini. Nah, itu. Kemudian print, sana tinggal print nanti saya adalah misalnya nama. Nah, ini nanti akan print 5 kali, Zano. Dia akan bertanya 5 kali, Zano. Coba lihat. eh Aga. Aga, saya adalah Aga. Kemudian Zapiera, kemudian Zano, kemudian Azali, Parabi. Nah, dia akan dia akan meminta kita 5 kali, Zano. Oke?
Oke.
Nah, sekarang kakak contohkan real soalnya seperti apa. Dia bilang, ya, an integral part of a friend around social network is the music section. Nah, kita disuruh untuk mencetak ini, Zano nih. Kita disuruh untuk menanyakan enter your wish, ya, enter your wish 3 times, ya, 3 kali nih. 1, 2, 3. 3 kali. Kemudian hanya ada sesuatu muncul di terakhir 1 kali. Recommendation system configured. How to do this? Oke. Now the first one you have to say like this, Zano ya. For let's say K in range, ya. I will zoom it out, in order to make you clear. For I in range 3, 3 because I want he asked me 3 times. The wish is input. Enter your wish. Enter your wish, yeah. And then it will say what? I forgot about that. It will say something like this. Preference taken into account. Okay. It means that you just need to print, ya. Print preference taken into account. Okay. And then this statement preference taken into account repeat 3 times, ya. Oke, 3 kali diulang. Oke, preference taken into account, preference into account. Jadi nanti Zano hanya akan melihat ya sesuatu seperti ini. Nah, terakhir hanya muncul sekali berarti ini di luar pornya. Recommendation system configured, ya, something like that. It means this is outside of the for loop. Recommendation system configured, something like this. And as you can see, okay, it's quite nice. Now you can run your code and then, enter your wish. I wish, I wish I will be a mechanic, something like that. Nah, mechanic, ya. And then the second one, let's say I wish, I wanna be a data scientist, something like this, or I wanna be a astronaut, astronaut. Okay. Okay, something like that. You can do all of this, ya. Q, S, and W. Okay, that's clear. Okay. Okay. Now in the number 7, it will print, uh, apa? The prohibit character. So how to do that? The first one, you have to say that, yeah, let's try to make it your username. Yeah, username variable. The name is username equals to. You have to use input function and then say enter your login. Okay, and then I have to check or iterate based on the sequence that I made. It means that for character or let's say letter in username, please, yeah, please, if you find something, if letter in, let's say prohibit character, character. So please print prohibited character colon the letter. But I haven't to define this variable yet, Zano. So you have to add prohibit character by use this one. You can copy from this, yeah, from this. Okay. And then now what will happen? It will happen like this. Okay. Let's say I will take Zano underscore blah 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 blah. And then this one. So what will it print out? It will print this one. Oh, your prohibit character is 4, yeah? Underscore, hashtag, and then square and square. Something like that, Sanuya. Okay, let's do this again. What will happen? It will, yeah, do something like this. Okay. Do you copy, Zano? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
your turn. Okay. Or you wanna control my screen, or you wanna use your screen? Depends on you. What do you prefer?
Mm, yes, my screen.
Oh, your screen. Okay. Let's go. Zano, Ramian and only. I want you in my arms. So let me hold you. Never let you go again. Like I did. How I used. Aduh, kok saya nyanyi jadinya? Aduh, Zano nanti. Ayo Zano, lesson 4. Ya, we are in lesson 4 now.
Yes. Oh,
That one. Yeah, that's very nice, Zano. I love you. Love you, boy. Boy. Zano dari mana?
dari
Where are you
dari
from? What?
dari dari rumah sakit.
Bukan, maksudnya rumahnya bukan.
Hmm,
Where are you from?
mama.
Buk, bukan, maksudnya asalnya. Aduh, asalnya dari mana, Pak? Daerahnya.
Hmm, Kendari.
Where is Kendari? I don't know. Where is it?
Sulawesi Tenggara.
I see. I hope meet with you in the other days, ano ya, in future or yeah, in you know, I want to meet with you directly, face to face. Okay, yeah, maybe if you go into university, we will yeah meet in somewhere. I don't know. I hope that. Okay. Do you understand what I say? Did you?
Yes.
Okay. I hope that. Yeah. Okay, Zano. Select the program that has no errors. So I think the first one, it will error. Why? Because yeah, the sign titik comma point comma it's false. Yeah, that is false. We just need to use comma. Okay, so that's
Mm.
yeah, it will error. And then the second one, for symbol in login, so print symbol.
True.
True, yeah, that's true. There is no error. Yeah, that's true, Zano. You can click on there and then, yeah, okay, that's very nice. Okay, now this is for measuring your typing speed, Zano. Okay, users equals to 0. And then while users less than what? Yeah, in my absolute. Oh yeah, I never let you go again like I did. I used to say I wanna fall
True.
in love again until I found her. Said I will never fall unless it's you I'm falling to. Okay, Sano. Name, colon, quotation. Wow, 74. That's very great. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Zano. Ah, this is that I told you, yeah. So you just need to say for I in range 3, Zano.
For for
Oh, you have to remove the hashtag sign first, Zano. You can click control. Okay. Okay. For I in range what? 3, yeah? Because we have to repeat the wish 3 times. So range
it
3.
time
Range dalam parenthesis.
like this.
No, that's quotation mark. Parenthesis is tanda kurung, ya. Dalam kurung. Okay, 3, ya.
Then
Oh, you forgot the colon, ya.
colon.
Colon. After the parenthesis, colon, ya.
Colon.
Okay. Like, oh, no, 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 no. After the parenthesis, colon is tanda titik 2, ya. The colon. Oh, no, 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 no. That's quotation. The colon is titik 2.
Oh,
Ah, that one. And then wish equals to, you have to use input function. And then the statement within the parenthesis is enter your wish. Yeah.
oh, Input.
Input,
In,
parenthesis, enter
uh,
your wish.
parenthesis.
Ya, parenthesis is tanda kurung ya.
Oh,
And then the statement is enter your wish ya. Just like the picture. Can see the picture. I think the E is capitalized ya. Okay, Zano. And after that,
hmm,
don't forget the
ada lah. Oh,
yeah, the O like that ya.
hah?
Yeah, the O. The quotation, Zano. The quotation mark, yeah.
Des.
Yeah, but within the statement, enter your wish, yeah, to cover the enter your wish.
Oh,
Ah,
eh,
e- exactly, yeah. You can do it by ini Zano. By first is blocking your word that you want to cover, yeah, like this. I will show you how to do it faster, quickly. Okay. Let's say I have name here. Hello. My name is Zano, and I like to be a
ah,
mechanic. Okay. You can do it to move, yeah, to add the quotation mark. You can block your code and then add the quotation mark. Oh, I'm sorry. You can block it first and then add the quotation mark like this. Okay?
okay.
Okay. And then if you want to make to comment or uncomment your code quickly, you can use control garis miring ya. Control garis miring ke kanan. Itu untuk membuat ada hashtag kemudian membuatnya hilang juga token itu. Oke? Oke, let's continue your work. And then print preference taken into account. Oh, inside of the loop, ya, inside of the loop,
Inside
ya, inside of the for loop, ya,
like this.
ya, like that. Aduh, kakak ikutan lagi.
Eh,
Okay, like that, Zano. Print preference taken into account. Okay, don't forget the quotation mark, ya. The quotation mark.
Quotation mark.
Tanda petik quotation mark. Quotes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then the last one, you can click hit the picture Click on the picture and then you can see the last statement of the program is, click the picture, Zano. The last one say that recommendation system configured. Okay, but it just mentioned just one time, so it should be outside of the for loop. Okay, okay, you can do it now.
Eh,
Print. I think the arrow should be capitalized, Zano. Recommendation system configured. Jer.
Ber.
Oh, the quotation mark. Okay. Enter your wish for 3 times, Zano. Enter. Oh, I think you forgot the colon, ya.
What column?
Tanda titik dua in the wish, yeah. But you have to stop your program first. Okay. Okay. Can go over that. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation Vivaldi. You can write anything, Zano, yeah? Anything. Quint Zano. Let's create Zano. Okay. Okay. Again?
Again?
Bla 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 gitu. Bla 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 gitu. Bla 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 gitu. Okay, that's very nice. Yeah.
Ha.
Okay. Now, this is the counter, yeah. This is the for loop with counter. What's wrong with the second line, Zanu? What this program missed in the second line? There is no what in
Tanda
the second
kurung.
line? There is no
Tanda kurung.
no in the second line. In the second line there is no quotation mark within the input, ya. Di dalam input itu kan ada kata-kata tuh number of marks, but it
Hmm.
hasn't, ya, quotation mark, ya,
Quotation mark.
tanda petik, ya.
Here.
Iya, oke. And then what's wrong in the third line, Zano?
Third line. Rangi.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, that's range. It's not rank, tapi range, ya. And then what's wrong? Or what miss again?
Count.
Anything else? In the third line? In the third line?
Count.
Yeah, the colon should be after the parenthesis, yeah? The colon after the parenthesis. It's not count E, but just count. Just count because in the second line I have variable, the name is count, yeah? So yeah, that's also you have to write count.
Where?
Yeah, in the within the range. Within the range.
Didn't the range?
Within the range.
Where?
In the car, this one is this one. And you should add the quotation mark. Okay, like this. And then what's wrong with on this line, Zano? This is not an expression, so the equation, I mean the equal sign should be mentioned one time. And then the mark, yeah, because this is within the input, so I have to put quotation mark. And then the total should sum all of the marks, so it should be with an inside of the for loop. And then this one, because it will print a number, so I have to use int function, yeah, int. Okay, now you can run your code, Zano. Okay, let's go. It depends on you, yeah, but don't forget it's just a number.
Hmm.
Okay, mark, 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 mark. Okay, repeat, Sanu. Oh, it's too many, too many.
What?
It's it's too many mark, ya. Itu 456 kali memasukkan nilai. Jangan terlalu banyak. 3 aja yang pertama ya. Kemudian baru 456 dan seterusnya. That's too many number ya.
Auto. Oh.
Dua aja, satu, dua gitu. Dua, enter, satu sama dua. Okay, you can do like that. Okay, checklist. And then you can, let's two. Let's try two, Zano. Two. And then, yeah, the number is depends on you. Okay, that's very
Hey.
nice. Okay, now I will continue my presentation, Zano. Could I?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll talk about this, Zano, yeah? So you can share your stop your screen first.
What?
Stop your screen.
Okay.
Okay, now I will show you. Yeah, we can also make nested construction with
Angkat ya.
for and while loop, Zano. Yeah.
Lihat nih siapa nih. Lihat nih siapa.
Oh,
Wait, 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 wait,
oh,
wait. Zano.
Lagi belajar.
Oh, lagi belajar, lagi les coding, lagi les coding. Dia kalau lagi les coding.
okay, Zano. We could also nest it while and for loop. Yeah. And this topic calls as a nested construct. And then this is the preview of nested for the for loop itself. You can use this, Zano. This is for loop, and then inside of the for loop, you you add a function.
Saya juga. Jangan saya spicy.
Zano, belajar Zano. Kenapa sayang?
Kenapa kamu pakai kacamata terus?
Saya gua ganteng.
Hah?
Saya gua ganteng.
Ikan. Siapa ini?
Al, ambil aku. Hah?
Halo.
Yang kalian yang
Sorry,
kemarin.
Zano. I don't know what happened.
Kemarin.
Okay, this is the nested constructor, Zano, yeah? So now I will show you. We have a special operator. The name is break. What is break means? It means that it operator that terminates the loop ahead of schedule. Ya, jadi operator break ini nanti akan menghentikan loop Zano, loop yang dibuat oleh Zano seketika kalau memenuhi kriteria. Nah, contohnya begini ya. Untuk setiap sesuatu dalam rentang 3, masukkan input gitu ya, dan masukkan kata sandi ataupun username dan passwordnya. Nah, kalau ya, dia bilang kalau nanti, kalau loginnya admin dan passwordnya ini, maka di break. Artinya apa? Nah, misalnya Zanu memasukkan password yang benar hanya sekali. Padahal perintahnya itu 3 kali. Maka kalau sudah benar ini dan Zano bilang break, maka dia nggak perlu 3 kali, tapi cukup sekali doang dia udah berhenti. Begitu ya. Itu kegunaan break. Singkatnya demikian. Oke?
Oke.
Oke, and then this is the example of using break. I will show you later. Okay, I will show you just right now. Okay. Now in lesson 4 in here exactly. Okay. Okay. Let's see on okay, this one maybe. So no. So I have something here that we have to solve, yeah. So program the entertainment section. So the program say that the section begins by entering a number. Enter 1 to recommendation, 2 to draw and up and exit. And then enter your preference, yeah. So how I can solve this? The first is you just need to say use while, yeah, because it's not just for, yeah. While input, yeah. Enter. Sorry, it's not input exactly, but let's say wish, yeah. Wish equals to input and then recommendation. Enter, ya. Enter. Excuse me. Enter one recommendation, and 2 is a draw, and 3 as a exit, the up, yeah. Now I will say while the wish, oh my gosh, not equal to up. So please, yeah, if the wish is equals to 1, like this, yeah, equals to 1. So you have to print this one, Zano, yeah. Enter your preference, yeah, the recommendation. Let's say you want a something, yeah. Preference equals to input and say enter your preference. Okay, like this, Zano. And then when you enter the preference, it will print hardcore sport podcast. Okay, and then just print hard. No. Okay, if again, yeah, again, if you just need to say if the preference equals to sport, yeah, sports. So you just need to print this statement, yeah, hardcore podcast. Okay, copy that. And then the else is this is otherwise recommendation is Kanye West new album. Okay. Yeah, you just need to say print Kanye West new album. And then, okay, there is no any. Now, ellip, yeah. Ellip, the wish is equals to 2. X, yeah. If 2 is entered, a drawing start, you get 3 attempts to guess the name of musical group. Queen, yeah. If the answer is correct, you win a correct ticket. So it means that you have to say for I in range, we have 3 attempts. So I will say for I in range 3, yeah. And then, yeah, you should enter the name of the band. Let's say the band equals to input, and you know what is the statement? Enter the name of the band. Okay, enter the name of the band. Then after that, enter the name of the band. Okay, if the name of the band is Queen, so if band equals to Queen, the Queen is okay like this Queen. So print this one, yeah. You win a concert ticket. You win a concert ticket. And then break, yeah. Okay. You can break after that, yeah. It will X you again this one, yeah. This one. Okay. In here. Okay. Like this, Zano, yeah. And then now, yeah, to make it better, I think we have to use this, yeah. Wish dot lower. And then also in this, yeah, preference equals to preference dot lower, yeah. And then also this one, band equals to band dot lower. Okay, and then this one should be quint with Q. Okay, now if I run this, Zano, it will, yeah, you can see. And then I say up, so the program will up. And then if I say want, it will enter your preference. And then if I say sports, it will hardcore sport podcast and then enter recommendation. If you print 2 and then let's say quint, it will print you win a concert ticket and then up. Okay, like this, Zano, yeah? And then now I wanna, yeah, I wanna you use my code, Zano, yeah? That is in number 5, yeah? Okay, use this. You can copy my code. Okay, that's enough, Zano, from kakak. Zano ada pertanyaan dulu di sini?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
You sure? Okay. If then I will end this meeting, Zano, ya. Kakak ada kelas lagi soalnya. Jadi nanti kalau
Okay.
Zano nggak pernah bertanya ya ke kakak, entah kenapa. Ya latihan-latihannya dikerjakan ya. Coba aja sebisa mungkin. Nanti kalau Zano nggak bisa, tanya ke kakak, putus soalnya. Oke? That's all, Zano. Thank you so much for being here and see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.